Okay, y'all, let's get into these box braids. We are about to go to our Disney vacation, and I wanted to install some braids for my girls. So I'm doing the braids medium size, and I'm using the Camille Rose Black Castor Buttercream. I'm going to work that buttercream into Zora's hair, and I like to add extra product just to keep her hair moisturized. Then I brush that in with my detangling brush and start braiding. Now y'all, I am not a professional braider. I'm just a mom that likes to try different styles on my girls, and I just learn as I go. Once my girls like it, that's all that matters. So these are the first 3 braids that I did. Not too bad if you ask me. Like I said, I'm just learning as I go. So we are getting ready for our Disney vacation, and I wanted to make sure that my girls' hair is fixed, so while we're on vacation, I don't have to worry about styling their hair. I just want to relax and enjoy these next 7 days with my family. So make sure you guys stick around to see the highlights from our Disney vacation at the end of the video. So I'm going to finish up Zora's hair, then I'll come back.
Go shopping. I mean, Daddy. I mean, to you. I mean, go shop for you. Hello. Okay, guys, Zara sent me a bunch of stuff. Oh my god! Somebody's.
So the girls like to play games with each other while getting their hair done. It just keeps them entertained and makes the time go by faster.
You want to be a baby too? Yes. You okay? Oh, sure. Because this, if you want to, we have a next top. Mix? I put a full color in it. And then we have, then you get your plate. Zara, I made a blue pancake. Okay, thank you. What is it? Eat it slowly. This tastes good. May I have a piece of your stuff? Okay.
So I am all done finally. I like to add some oil and rub that through their hair. This is just castor oil, by the way. It's the clear one. I'm all out of my black castor oil, so I had to use this. And I did the same thing for Zora. So we are all done and the girls are super excited and ready for Disney World.
And dinner.
You have arrived.
Woohoo! Verizon? What? That's not coming down. But Verizon.
We're trying to get parking to go to Disney World now.
Coming fully behind those poles until we do come to that full and complete stop. I'll let you know when it's safe to.
As you do, a merry birthday to you and